All right, Betsy Brewer's here. Hi, Betsy.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, Betsy, you brought us snakes. You brought us
Monkeys.
monkeys. You never brought us the big cat, though, before.
No, we haven't
A
had
tiger.
the big cat. This is a tiger, a 4-month-old Bengal tiger.
There's an actual tiger in the studio.
And boy, is she
what
cute.
It looks like the kitty cat that Fred Flintstone put out at the end of the show every night.
Oh, you think?
Kaya is her name.
She looks sweet and innocent, but
She's a real tiger.
You've warned us. Now, this is so
It's
funny.
not like she's not a domesticated tiger or anything.
Absolutely
Just
not.
a wild animal.
Betsy
This is a wild
has
animal.
this little recorder that she carries around
Yeah.
in her pocket that has Kaya's growl on it.
this is to show people exactly
right
what
up.
she can be like.
That is really Kaya. That's
What'd you do
oh
to
my
her?
gosh.
Why was she so upset?
She's a tiger.
She took away her food.
Yeah, that's a nice. Betsy's got a vat of meat with her.
No, Betsy had her shoe off earlier, and Kaya was gnawing on that, and I ran upstairs because there's been this monkey that someone sent us 4 years ago.
Right.
A stuffed monkey that's been sitting up in our office.
Yeah.
And now Kaya is actually enjoying the stuffed
Yeah, that's
monkey.
Kaya's monkey now. We
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
need it
exactly.
back.
With
But
a
now
little leather cape on it, so she loves that.
I
Oh,
think
she's got the
I
leather
think
now.
Betsy was happy when
Yeah.
Kaya was chewing up the chew. She was just happy her foot wasn't in it.
Yeah.
She's dangerous.
She could be dangerous. She could
She
hurt
could be
you.
very dangerous. I mean,
Yeah.
she looks sweet and innocent,
Well,
but she is a
thanks
tiger.
Thanks for bringing her in.
Absolutely. Well,
On my day back.
Good seeing you, Betsy. So
is how
long
a
now.
tiger
Should this be a
learns to
message,
hide.
you know?
Yeah, really.
My first day back, it's like,
That's why we brought her in, just for you. To welcome
well, that
you
was
back.
nice. She does drink out of a baby bottle, though, so that's cute.
On occasion, she came to us from Southwick Zoo from the Wildlife World Zoo in Arizona, where she was born. She was one of 4 siblings.
Okay.
So she has 3 other sisters, 2 white and 2 regular colored tigers, such as her. And her sibling, the white tiger, will be coming to us in May, and we'll be opening April 12th. She'll be on display, so everybody will be able to see her.
She just
Sully,
attacked.
your
She's got
coat.
someone's
She just
coat.
attacked. Was that your coat, Sully?
Oh, Sully's coach has
is
got
gone,
it.
and Jen's coach bag.
Yeah, well, it's going to get it soon.
That's okay. It's Coach with a K. Don't worry about it. It's not a real coach
Oh,
bag.
do you have to tell the world that? Thank you.
Like it's the first time we ever mentioned that your coach bag is a phony.
Oh, so no wonder she wasn't so upset.
I was like, yeah, let her know on it.
All right,
That's
so now,
pleather, okay?
when does the Southwick Zoo open?
We're opening April 12th. So
Okay,
it's
so
coming
just a
right
couple
up,
of
less
weeks.
than
And
2 weeks.
you'll be able to see, when is she actually going to be in an
She's
exhibit?
going to be out every day, weather permitting, of course.
Okay.
Nice days, she'll be out. You'll be able to get close to her. We're not going to put her in the large tiger habitat we have right away. We have to do some alterations on it. And because she's small, she's about 40 pounds,
Yeah.
She is adorable.
but she's got unbelievable
Okay.
You just
strength.
want to cuddle with her.
You want to cuddle with her. What's the matter with you? You want
Last
to cuddle
night,
with
she
her.
jumped up onto my kitchen
She's
counter
cute.
again.
She jumped up on
How'd
your
that
kitchen
go?
counter?
Yeah, just,
from the floor.
She,
Floor
from
to
the
counter.
floor to
Boom.
the counter, sprang right up there.
And apparently she's knocked down some curtains in your place. You didn't really
Yeah,
think that would
she-
happen?
She has a place in my basement where she sleeps at night, where it's nice and warm. So at night she's there. During the day she's at the zoo. I'm right at the zoo. So
Can you bring her over here and make her growl? Does she growl?
So when the mailman
as long
walks
as she
up,
won't eat me. She won't
and
eat me.
here's this. The mailman comes to deliver mail to Betsy's house.
Oh, look, she picks her up by the scruff of the neck. And now I can touch her, huh? Oh, did you feel that shock? But she won't growl.
see, when you
over like
scruff
that,
her
right?
like that, that's exactly what the mom would do to carry her
Oh,
around or transport her or move her.
Okay,
So she
okay,
becomes
that's
very
great. That's
submissive.
enough. All right, see
So
you
she
later,
can't
Kaya.
bite you in that position.
Well, she could if she really wanted to.
Oh, no.
Right.
But this
Sully
is her
wants to be in the
submissive
video.
position.
Sully, put your head really close.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, little kissy hug. Yeah, you're a maniac. All right. Nice meeting you,
Her
Kaya.
paws are so
tiger just
All right,
big.
so
Big
now,
from Sully.
stick around because when we come back, we're going to find out about a couple of the special events that are coming up this spring and give away some passes.
We
Sound
have
cool?
so many things happening this year and so many new additions.
All right, so that'll be in just a few minutes. Right now, Karen Kiley, safe in her traffic world, far away from us. Hi, Karen.
Hey, Zito.
There's a tiger in the studio.
I hear. He
Yeah.
sounds really
A
cute.
tiger cub, okay?
Whatever. I didn't get this gig because it was dangerous, okay? I would have been a roofer if I wanted to, have danger in my life.
Although I loved your description, the one about the cat that Fred puts out at the end.
Yes.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.